Did you know that the iPhone 15 Pro can charge wirelessly at an astounding speed, faster than any of its predecessors? Yes, you heard it right. This latest model from Apple's technology lab has taken wireless charging to a whole new level. Remember the days of the iPhone 10 or even the 12? They seem like ancient history when you compare their charging speeds to the iPhone 15 Pro. It's like comparing a horse-drawn carriage to a race car. This is not just a minor upgrade, but a significant leap in technology. It's a game changer that will redefine our expectations of what a smartphone can do. Gone are the days of waiting endlessly for your phone to charge. With the iPhone 15 Pro, you'll be ready to go in no time. This feature alone sets the iPhone 15 Pro apart from its predecessors, but let's delve deeper into what makes this device extraordinary. The iPhone 15 Pro boasts a sleek design with an impressive display that's hard to ignore. With its robust build and premium feel, the device is more than just an accessory. It's an extension of your personal style. The stainless steel frame, coupled with the ceramic shield front cover, ensures both toughness and elegance. Now let's talk about the display. The iPhone 15 Pro features a ProMotion XDR display with a resolution that's nothing short of breathtaking. Imagine seeing your photos, videos, and games in such vivid detail. It's almost as if they're coming to life right before your eyes. But the magic doesn't end there. The device's color accuracy is top-notch, providing an immersive viewing experience every time you unlock your screen. Whether you're editing photos, streaming your favorite shows, or just browsing social media, the colors pop, making every image look stunningly real. The design and display alone make this device a worthy contender in the smartphone market. Under the hood, the iPhone 15 Pro is a beast, powered by the new A16 Bionic chip. This chip is a marvel, pushing the limits of what we thought a smartphone could do. It's not just about speed, although let's be clear, this phone is fast, really fast, but it's also about efficiency. The A16 Bionic chip manages power so well it almost seems like magic. When it comes to graphics, the iPhone 15 Pro is in a league of its own. Whether you're streaming high-definition videos, playing graphic-intensive games, or juggling multiple apps, this device handles it all with ease. And it does so while using less energy, which is a big plus for those of us who rely on our phones all day. The iPhone 15 Pro's performance isn't just about numbers, it's about the experience. It's about that sense of fluidity and responsiveness. It's about not having to wait or compromise. The iPhone 15 Pro offers a seamless and powerful performance that's hard to beat. The iPhone 15 Pro's camera system is nothing short of revolutionary. It's like having a professional photography studio in your pocket. The device boasts an impressive array of lenses, providing you with the flexibility to capture stunning images in a variety of scenarios. From wide-angle to telephoto, each lens brings a unique perspective to your photos. But it's not just about the lenses. The iPhone 15 Pro also delivers unparalleled image quality. The level of detail, color accuracy, and dynamic range are simply extraordinary. Whether you're shooting in bright daylight or low light, the results are consistently impressive. Let's not forget about video capabilities. From slow motion to 4K resolution, the iPhone 15 Pro has it all. And with features like night mode and cinematic mode, you can take your creativity to new heights. With this camera system, the iPhone 15 Pro is a photographer's dream. This is not just a smartphone camera, it's a powerful tool for capturing life's moments in their truest form. With the iPhone 15 Pro, you'll never have to worry about running out of battery in the middle of the day. An impressive aspect of the iPhone 15 Pro is its battery life. This device is equipped with a battery that outlasts its predecessors, giving you that extra time you need to finish watching your favorite show, make that important call, or capture the perfect photo. The iPhone 15 Pro's battery life doesn't just offer longevity, it offers convenience too. The device supports fast wireless charging, making it more versatile than ever. Just place it on a compatible charging pad and voila, your device gets juiced up faster than you can finish a cup of coffee. No more scuffling around for cables and adapters. So, whether you're a power user who needs their phone to last through a long day, or you simply enjoy the convenience of quick wireless charging, the iPhone 15 Pro has you covered. The iPhone 15 Pro ensures you stay connected all day long. The iPhone 15 Pro runs on iOS 17, offering a host of new features and enhancements. Now let's delve into the specifics. With iOS 17, Apple has taken a significant stride forward in privacy. allowing users to have more control over how apps use their information. It's all about putting you in the driver's seat. In addition, Face ID has been improved, offering faster and more accurate facial recognition. This makes unlocking your device or making secure payments a breeze. But that's not all. iOS 17 also introduces some exciting new app features. For instance, the Photos app now comes with powerful editing tools, giving you the ability to create more professional-looking photos. Similarly, the Maps app has been revamped with detailed city experiences and immersive walking instructions. These features, coupled with the seamless integration of hardware and software, make iOS 17 on the iPhone 15 Pro a game changer. iOS 17 on the iPhone 15 Pro offers an unparalleled user experience. With the iPhone 15 Pro, staying connected is easier and faster than ever. This nifty device is packed with connectivity features designed to keep you in the loop, regardless of where you find yourself. Let's kick things off with its 5G capabilities. With the iPhone 15 Pro, you can enjoy lightning-fast internet speeds, which means less time waiting for downloads and more time enjoying content. It's perfect for those who need to stay connected on the move, but it doesn't stop there. The Wi-Fi performance of the iPhone 15 Pro is also top-notch, providing fast and reliable connections whether you're at home, in the office, or at your favorite coffee shop. And let's not forget about the Bluetooth enhancements. The iPhone 15 Pro offers seamless connectivity with your devices, from your Apple Watch to your AirPods, ensuring that you're always just a tap away from your favorite tunes or that important phone call. The iPhone 15 Pro keeps you connected no matter where you are. The iPhone 15 Pro offers a variety of storage options, catering to all your needs. Starting with the base model, you get a generous 128 gigabytes of storage. That's plenty of room for your daily essentials, apps, photos, and even a few high-definition movies. If you're an avid photographer or videographer, the 256 gigabytes model might be the one for you. It offers ample storage for all your high-resolution photos and 4K videos. For those who carry their world in their pocket, the 512 gigabytes and a whopping 1 terabyte models are available. These options are perfect for professionals who need to store large files or those who never want to worry about storage space again. No matter which storage option you choose, the iPhone 15 Pro ensures fast and efficient data management. With the iPhone 15 Pro, you'll never run out of space for your precious memories. The iPhone 15 Pro comes with a hefty price tag, but is it worth it? Well, let's dive in. The iPhone 15 Pro starts at a price point that reflects its premium nature. It's a significant investment, but one that brings with it a host of top-tier features and specs. One could argue that this device is not just a phone, but a tool, a statement, a piece of technology that goes beyond the ordinary. Let's put this into perspective. Other smartphones in the market may offer similar specs, but often fall short in providing the seamless experience that Apple is known for. The iPhone 15 Pro is available worldwide, ensuring that no matter where you are, you can get your hands on this sophisticated piece of tech. While the price may be a deterrent for some, remember that Apple offers various financing options, making it more accessible for those who are keen on experiencing what the iPhone 15 Pro has to offer. The iPhone 15 Pro is a premium device with a price tag to match. So, is the iPhone 15 Pro worth your hard-earned money? After delving deep into the design, display, performance, camera system, battery life, iOS 17, connectivity, storage options, and price, we've got a pretty good idea. The iPhone 15 Pro boasts a sleek design and an impressive display that's a treat for the eyes. It's a powerhouse in terms of performance, tackling all tasks with ease. The camera system is top-notch, capturing stunning photos and videos. The battery life is commendable, and iOS 17 brings some exciting features to the table. Connectivity options are ample, and varied storage options provide room for everyone. However, the steep price might be a deterrent for some. But let's not forget, we're talking about a premium device here, a device that's packed with state-of-the-art features, offers top-notch performance, and provides an unparalleled user experience. The iPhone 15 Pro is a powerful, feature-packed device that offers an unrivaled user experience. It's a worthy investment for anyone seeking a top-tier smartphone.